Good morning, students. Today we are going to revise the first 4 chapters of our syllabus for the midterm, that is real numbers, polynomial, coordinate geometry and linear equation in 2 variables. So today the discussion is on multiple choice question. There will be 10 questions and their solution is provided. So the first question, which of the following statement is true? We have as option 1, every whole number is a natural number, which is not a true statement. So here we have to just correct or tick the correct option, that is the option which is true option. That means out of 4 there will be one option which is correct. Every whole number is not a natural number. Every integer is a rational number. Every rational number is not an integer. And every integer is not a whole number. So option A, option C and option D are false statement. Option B is a true statement. So our correct option will be option B. Which of the following is an irrational number? Root 2, root 121, root 5 and root 64. Root 121 is root of 11, is square of 11. Root 25 is a square of 5. And can you tell me what is the square of 64? The square root of 64 is 8. That means 64 is a square of 8. So our irrational number is option 2. Find 5 square whole to the power 7. 5 square whole to the power 7 follows the exponent form a to the power m whole to the power n, which is equals to a to the power m into n. So we will multiply m and n. So multiplying 2 and 7 will give us 14. So 5 to the power 14 is the correct option. Which of the following coefficient of x square is given px in the given px? So we have to find the coefficient of x square. Here in the following px we have 2 plus x square plus 1. So the coefficient of x square is 1. So our correct option is 1. Now fill in the blanks. We have an identity. We have to fill the blank of this identity. So we know x plus y whole square is x square plus 2xy plus y square. So out of it our correct option is option A. Now question number 6. Where does x-axis and y-axis meet? So in a Cartesian plane we have two axes, x-axis, x-dash axis, y-axis and y-dash axis. Where do the x-axis and y-axis meet? That means this point of intersection. This point of intersection is denoted with the word O, or it is also known as origin. So the x-axis and y-axis meet on origin. Question number 7. How many quadrants are there in a Cartesian system? So in a Cartesian system or xy plane we have x-axis, x-dash axis, y-axis and y-dash axis. So the x-axis and y-axis divides the Cartesian plane into 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 different quadrants. So the number of quadrants are 4. Which one of the following is a solution of x minus 2y is equals to 4? So there are options that is given. we will substitute the value of x and y in this equation and see whether the left hand side and the right hand side is equal or not. So we have x minus 2y. First we will substitute 2 comma 0. So in place of x we are going to write 2. In place of y we are going to write 0. So we will get 2. Again we will substitute 3 comma 0. That is our option 3. So in place of x we will write 3. In place of y we will write 0. So the answer is 3, which is not equals to 4. 2 is not equals to 4. Again 3 is not equals to 4. Then we will substitute 2 comma 0. So in place of x we are going to substitute 0. In place of y we are going to substitute 2. So we will get minus 4, which is not equals to 4. So option D is also not the correct option. The only option left is option B. That is, in place of x we are substituting 4. In place of y we are substituting 0. So 4 minus 0 is 4, which is equal to our right hand side. So the option B is the correct option. Question number 9. Where does 0, 2 minus 2 lies in a Cartesian plane? So first we will draw a Cartesian plane x, x dash, y, y dash. Here 0, x is equals to 0 means on y axis and minus 2 means at the bottom. So this point is our 0, minus 2. So in which axis does it lie? It lies on y dash axis. So our correct option is y dash axis, that is option D. And last question is question number 10. Which of the following is a cubic polynomial? Cubic polynomial means the polynomial whose highest power is 3. 3 only gives us cubic. So the polynomial whose highest power is 3 is a cubic polynomial. In option A, the highest power is 4. So it is not a cubic polynomial. Option C is not a polynomial because the variable t is under root. That means half. A polynomial with an integer is not a polynomial. So option C is not a polynomial. Option D, the highest power is 2, which is not 3. Cubic means 3. So our correct option is option B, that is x cube. So our cubic polynomial is x cube, that is our option B. So today we have discussed 10 MCQ questions from the first 4 chapters. I hope this tutorial for this revision is helpful for you. Thank you.